2015 Audi Q7, replacing the blower motor, and then the resistor as well. Always replace the resistor. It's held by 2 screws. It's right here. Where is it? It's right here. So for the blower motor, you wanna go from this side, from the bottom. This is where it leaves. Then for the resistor, you will have to remove the glove box. This is the resistor. You just wanna undo. I gotta do it with 2 hands. All right, new one in, old out. All right, job is complete. Blower motor working now. Nice and warm heat. No more noise.